Hi guys, in this class we have to discuss about how you can delete any record from the front end from the home page. So just I have to provide a detail for login. You know that I have to provide email password. I have to log in at first, then I will access for that home page. So I want to delete any record. When I click any button, user should delete. Now what I have to do? I have to create a del.php page. So save del.php, and then I have to provide a connection for this page. Connection PHP, provide connection. Then what I have to do, I have to create a get variable. So this is the icon for a deleting. This is a link for deleting. So icon is displaying here. Now remove this hash symbol and then write here a del.php and put a custom mark that you used to create a get variable. Get variable name is del and its value is equal to current user id. So echo dollar underscore, sorry, not underscore, just this variable I want to display here. Put a semicolon. When I refresh this one, when I hover this icon, you can analyze this position. This position you can analyze. You can see that del equal to 1, del equal to 2, del equal to 3. So it means that I want to delete this user which id is 1. I want to delete this user which id is 2. On the basis of customer or user id I want to delete. For that reason, what I have to do, I want to move user to this page, del.php page, with this information, del variable and its value. When a user reach to this page, what I have to do next? For example, user click on this button, you can see that user move to del.php page, and this is the variable, get variable. So in PHP file, I have to make condition if is set, if there is a get variable and its value is means this is a del variable, and then when this del variable is set, then what I have to do, I have to access its value. What is the value of this del variable? So that del val should be stored in del val variable. Just echo and then del val. What is the value of this one? And I refresh, you can see that 1 is displaying here. When here is 2, 2 is displaying here. So 1, 1 is displaying here. So using this one, its value will be displayed. Now what I have to do? So actually its value is the id value, because I mentioned here its value should be equal to user id. So next what I have to do, if you want to delete current user, you have to run a query select, sorry, not select, delete from table name is customer info, where cid equal to this id del val, or just I want to write here id and then add the semicolon and store this query in the query variable. And you know that to run query I have a method MySQLi query. It take two things, one is connection and another is a query. And then what I have to do, I have to make if statement. If this query is successfully run, then what you have to do, you have to display pop-up box echo and then script, we have to display a message in pop-up box, customer is deleted, and then After displaying this message, I want to redirect a user to index.php. So remove this alert box, window.open, index.php in a self window, not new, and then underscore self. So what I have to do when I refresh this one, I didn't want to refresh this one. Refresh this one. When I click on this delete button, delete, you can see the customer is deleted. After displaying this message, when I click this OK, then it will redirect to index.php page. You can see then I redirect to index.php page, and then that user is deleted. When I browse this one, you can see that user is deleted from also database. I want to make a registration of any other user. Just log out. Just this button is not working. Login at PHP page, and then this is a register button. Remove this hash symbol and provide register.php page link, and then click on this register button. Provide other detail of any other user. For example, its email ID is this one, city is Sparkport, this or its order, its picture is this one, Python picture. Register. You can see that when I browse, new user is displaying here. I want to register more user. For example, this is a username, and then this is a email for that user. Its city is this one, its order, and then what we have to do, I want to this is an image register. So when I browse this one, you can see that another user is displaying here. So what I have to do next, I have to log in with this user. I want to log in, copy and paste here its password, login. You can see that I moved to index.php page, and all the user is displaying here to front end. When I click on this icon, it should delete from the front end and also from database. Customer is deleted. When I OK, it redirect index.php page, and that customer is deleted from this page and also from this backend. When I browse, 5 number ID will be deleted. So this is the functionality deleting a customer, deleting a user in this class we have learned. So in the next class we will discuss how you can edit of any customer detail and then updated result you will see in this application area. So meet another class in which we will work on editing of any customer.